Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something very cool and something about the cargo train and the black thing. So let's go to the cargo train and hi guys. Sorry, I didn't say hi guys. So hi guys. Let's go to the cargo train. We have to run. I got the Urus. You need the Urus for the glitch, so that's kind of bad. People who doesn't have a Urus. No, no, no. So we have to go over here, open the door, and you need to have mobile garage. Spawn the Urus, and you will be glitching like this in the cargo train. So let this happen. Keep letting this happen. Now you're going in the thing. So now you're in the black thingy majingy. Now that's the glitch. Go and try it out. And if you're doing a hide and seek thingy, you can just do this. You can just do this, hide over here, unless this is the rules. So, let's wrap it up now. This is gonna be a small video, cause like, this is a very small glitch. So, see you next time, guys. Bye.